Yo, what's going on, CANNA family? It's a beautiful day to get this propagation process started. I'm going to be using my CANNA Start and my Rhizotonic and creating a dilution so I can soak my root plugs in that dilution. After that, we're going to sow our seeds directly into those root plugs and then get them under a light. Let's get this process started. Okay guys, here's my EC meter, checking to see what EC I'm starting with. So when I add my CANNA Start, I can calculate how much it'll take for me to get my EC up to about 1500. I'm in Arizona, so our EC usually starts pretty high. It's 940. I'm gonna add about 10 to 15 milliliters of CANNA Start per gallon. That's about 15 milliliters. So we're still a little low on the EC. I want to get it up to 1500 before adding the rhizo. Add a little bit more so I can get my EC where I want it to be. Just under 5 mil. Alright guys, now that I got my CANNA Start in there and my water is at an EC of 1500, I'm going to add my Rhizotonic. I'm going to add 10 to 15 milliliters of that per the bottle directions into about a gallon of water. Make sure you shake it well beforehand. 15 mil. After that, I'm gonna check my pH level. Make sure you mix it all in there really good before you actually get your calculation. It's gonna take a moment. Alright guys, I want it to be between a 5.2 and a 6.2. Looks like after putting the Rhizotonic in there, I'm at a 6.5. So I'm gonna add a little bit of pH down that you can find at your local grocery store. Alright guys, I'm gonna use Fox Farms pH down. You don't need to use much of this, maybe a drop or two. You'll see how significantly a drop. Here we get. Let's move it around and see. Remember, we started at a 6.5. We need to be between 5.2 and 6.2. It's still dropping right now. You really want to take your time to make sure you get an accurate reading. All right, looks like we're at 5.4. We're gonna take it. All right guys, now that we've been having our root plugs soaked for about 15 minutes, we're gonna put those into our trays here. If you can see, I have the T50s. So there's 50 slots here. I won't use all 50. I want to give it a little space in between. Now, as you can see, I did both of these a little different, leaving a little bit more room in this one, opposed to going every other one in this one. Guys, that's it. Now that we have these all finished up and our seeds are plugged into our root plugs, we're going to throw them under our light. Make sure you keep an eye on these during this time. You're going to need to water them, but you don't want them to get too wet. Alright guys, that's the end of the process. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll keep an eye on these guys as they start to take off, and I'll catch you guys on the next time.